Yo, 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 what's up? What's up?
I can't with you.
What's up, Mom?
I can't with you.
Hey, that's my intro.
Is it? You need to relax. Just chill, dude. Just
I'm
chill.
chilling.
That's how I chill.
What's up?
Yo.
We are getting ready to go on a trip. We're at the meat spot, waiting for Fred and Belle. We are heading towards, where are we going tonight, Mama? Somewhere in Utah, I guess.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Isn't that like hours away?
Yeah. Super hours.
You
Super
wanna
many
get,
hours.
Why don't you get caught? Why don't you drink my Starbucks?
I'm good. I got some. Let me show you the secret. Spits. Get a bag of this. When you start autopiloting, spits, right, Mama? Hey, Spits, sponsor me, yo. Good morning. We left LA area around I don't know, 8:30, and then we made it to Valley of Fire. Probably got here to this campsite around 2:30 a.m. Fred and Belle. We just packing up.
It's so hot.
Super
My
hot.
hands are burning pushing that thing down.
Super hot. Just in time.
Just in time.
I mean, I'm already sweating though too. But it would have been hotter. Damn, check out them wheels. All right, so we're gonna continue on. Gonna try to make it to Grand Teton. I think it's about 9-10 hours, maybe 10 hours. Take our time, try not to damage anything. All right, let's get it.
Let's get it done.
How long do you think it took us to pack up? 10 minutes, 15 minutes? That was quick. What's up, buddies? Good morning. All right, we're gonna hit the road.
Welcome to Utah. We are officially.
Yo, yo, yo.
It's new intro every time.
Yo, yo, yo. Yo, what's up? Hype beast.
He's always hypey. I can't.
We are about
You can't.
an hour and a half south of Salt Lake City. So we filled up our gas tanks and taking a little break. We're not really hungry, but we are making our sandwiches so we can eat it on the road and not have to stop.
So here's our sandwich that we're gonna
Look
share.
at that's fancy. They got like sprouts,
I
Mama.
had leftover sprouts.
How come we don't have any sprouts?
I always buy sprouts.
I want sprouts and tomatoes.
I can't do tomatoes, but
No, that's me.
Sprouts.
I like sprouts, tomatoes.
so
I'm allergic to vegetables.
Are you really?
yeah,
You're allergic to what?
Veggies.
totally allergic to
Oh my
veggies.
gosh.
We got no veggies in ours. So you might like our sandwich.
Well, we have lettuce.
It's gonna be strictly meats.
No, we have lettuce. Camp for the night.
We can find a little spot. Not so close to peeps. Good morning. We were trying to make it to Grand Teton yesterday, but we didn't want to have a hard time trying to find a camp spot at night, so we stopped here. Found a spot by the lake. It's pretty cool spot. We're gonna pack up and get ready to leave so we can have a full day over at Grand Teton. Hopefully find a camp spot somewhere over there for the night. So let's go explore today.
How'd you sleep, hon?
I was tired.
Yeah.
We're packed up and we're ready to go explore Grand Teton. Let's go. You guys ready? You guys ready?
Yep, Papa. That's not thick. I could step in that.
This right here is called the Snake River. It's pretty thick.
What is this part of the snake river? I bet this might be the eyeball. Is this thing wrapped all? Is this river wrapped all around the earth? Guess what? You're being gone there.
Snake River. It's thick.
I can't with you.
We are going to the visitor center here at Grand Teton. Maybe go get a map or something. I don't know. Stickers. Use bathroom. Drop a deuce. Got some bear spray.
You got a passport.
Got some badges for the kids.
The block we're driving on has been forced downwards, almost sliding underneath the Teton block. So as the Tetons go up, this side of the valley is being pushed down. That's why we don't see any foothills from Jackson Hole. The Tetons are simply sliding up and over this valley.
Like this.
At 13,770 feet, the lake is at 6,800 feet. So the top of Grand Teton is a 7,000-foot vertical rise. There are bigger mountains in the Rockies, but what makes the Teton so spectacular? That immense vertical rise from the valley floor. Enjoy the view. Dam was substantially upgraded in the 1980s to be able to withstand a 7.5 magnitude earthquake. From the dam to explore through the northern end of Grand Teton. Teton's newest building. In the foreground, the Snake River cuts a gentle curved path.
Well, there's a downhill.
What's the boys going to get?
Hi guys. It's a video.
All the way by the river or just close?
Down by the river, past where that lady's walking up. You see that big dark,
Yeah.
big dark Popup loose, and there's a baby behind her.
Oh, awesome.
There was a moose and a baby, and her baby. I got to see it walking away.
You did?
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
What?
Yup, a big moose. But mostly I just saw the moose's booty.
We like to drink a lot of juice. What if we give juice to the moose? And then they'll drink it. Or we open the
Most photographed barn. Who says? Google.
Slow, slow, slow. How are the new water shoes? Was it good?
These things are freezing until you get used to them.
Are the water shoes
It's about 8 o'clock and we still haven't found a campsite yet. Everything is full. But hopefully we find something soon, or else we're just gonna park it on the side of the road here. We finally found a spot all the way up in the mountains. That concludes our trip to Grand Teton. Stay tuned next week as we visit Yellowstone National Park. Thank you for watching.